Today I'm going to show you 3 simple steps to install a spotlight into your backdrop tension fabric. Very simple. All you need to have is a spotlight and a hook. So first off, grab a chair, you take this hook and slot it in on your tension fabric. Make sure you got the right angle and you screw it from behind. Make sure this thing is tight enough so that your spotlight won't fall. Use this right here to slide in the spotlight. Let's do so. You can adjust it from here on how many angles you desire. Last step is take your power cable, slot it in to the spotlight, and then put your plug point to anywhere you can find. As you do so,